Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to crop picture to any shape using in Google Sheets. So get it started. At first open your Google document. In this video, I will show crop picture to any shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for a drawing option. Now click for a image option. Now click for browse option, then find your image. Now select from the picture. Now click for open. Then you show insert from picture. This picture is the any shape. Now click for the maximize option. Now click for a shape option, then click for any shape. Then again maximize and arrow shape. Now click. Now click for the save and close option. That's it. Then again another image from the insert is the any shape using. Now click for insert menu option. Now click for a image option and drawing option. Now select from the image. Now click for browse option, then choose picture, find for image. Now for click, then click for open. Then you show insert from picture. Now going to the maximum option, then select from the any shape in from picture. Now click for save and close option. Then again another picture is any shape using. Now again click for insert menu option. Now click for drawing option. Into the same process. Now click for a image option. Again click for browse option. Then choose picture in the insert. Then show insert from picture. Now going to the maximum image option. Now click for a arrow option, then click for arrow. That's it. Now click for a save and close option. That's it. Then I show crop image to any shape using in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for